Located in the heart of Manhattan Beach, California, the Zen House, designed by the architecture firm Minarc, blends modern design with a serene, nature-inspired atmosphere. Created for a pair of software developers and their family, the residence prioritizes an active, outdoor lifestyle. Inspired by nature and the family's frequent trips to Bali, Indonesia, as we enter, we are welcomed by a warm outdoor courtyard featuring a koi fish pond and a calming water feature, which also serves as a natural barrier to reduce street noise. The gentle sound of flowing water and the visual serenity of the pond create a meditative environment. Complementing this peaceful entry, olive trees evoke memories of family travels through Greece and Italy, reinforcing the home's deep connection to nature and lived experiences around the world. A defining element here is the fluid relationship between indoor and outdoor spaces. Large sliding doors and expansive windows maximize natural light and promote cross-ventilation, keeping the interiors bright and airy throughout the day. The property consists of an elegant two-story main residence and an integrated guest unit. A basketball court beside the pool connects the guest unit to the main house, creating a dynamic recreational space for the family and their guests. The home balances openness and privacy by incorporating modest yet functional private spaces. Bedrooms and 5 bathrooms offer plenty of room for family members and guests, ensuring comfort without compromising the home's minimalist aesthetic. Soft tones allow the raw beauty of the materials to stand out. An open rooftop deck, strategically positioned above part of the first floor, provides a versatile outdoor area with views of the pool and surrounding landscape. Wood, concrete, and fire elements come together to create a warm, calming atmosphere that invites relaxation.